So hi there everyone and welcome to Namoona 3D Labs, and in this video we will going to see the brief introduction about 3D printing, what the works we are doing in the company and what are the skills that you need to learn so that you can enter this space of model making and miniature die-cast manufacturing. So Namoona 3D Labs is one of the organizations that is focusing to manufacture miniature die-cast models across various domains. So we 3D print them and we design and we test and develop the injection molds for it, and we partner with some of the other companies like i3D Fabs and Think 3D, and we use Autodesk Fusion 360, and we give trainings to students, and also if the students are interested they can apply for internships. And we also work with Vignans Institute to collaborate and train the students on 3D printing and 3D designing. And in the next video we will see how large is the market of model making and miniature die-cast manufacturing.